Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Newark. Local time is approximately 5:35. We will be taxiing for a few more minutes, so please remain in your seats with your seatbelts fastened and all carried items stowed until the seatbelt has been turned off. Before leaving, ensure you have all of your personal belongings and use caution when opening overhead compartments as contents may have shifted during the flight. Smoking may not be permitted in the terminal, so please observe all posted signs. You may not use your cell phone. All other electronic devices must remain off. On behalf of your Chicago flight deck and your Chicago flight attendants, we'd like to thank you very much for flying with us today. We hope you've had an enjoyable flight with us. We look forward to seeing you again soon.